Gusto talaga nito mag-Mandalorian. Puta, nagis ka. Wala tayong kasama. Wala ako sa pisapin. Halika! Halika, halika, halika! Let's go, let's go.
May tato ka naman, sayang.
Baka mabura. Sige, sige, go kayo. Kulang ko tong video yung mga anak. Sunod kayo, sunod ako doon.
Nakatakon yung video mo, masyado mataas.
Hindi, ano yan? Nakuha yan. Sikads! Shout out, Sikads! Doc James! Woo! Doc Jamie! Woo! You know? Ayun ang mga hardcore, brad. There you go! Woo! Safe ride, brothers! Safe ride, dyan! Woo! Sikads!
Dito, easy, sa taas.
Dito.
Okay.
Sige. Uy! General, no? See you. Uy, tol. Kuya Bubon, MTV, KBA. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Shoutout. Nurse MTV. Uy, Jeremy. Alright, tol. Shoutout, Sikads. Tol, dito na tayo, Chaparral. Hey, Chaparral, dito. Chaparral, go.
Shoutout and Narjan TV Vlog.
Yeah, Pimentel. The 3-pointer, Sacramento Kings. Go, bro. Sweeper ako.
Ito sweeper, oh.
Alrighty. Pucha, nangastig, tol. Asay dimple, tol. Sa sikling jam, brothers. Malupit yan. Chaparral tayo. Suot natin itong TDS 2025, baby. Yun, Chaparral. Go. Go, brother.
No.
Wala kayo. Ganda tignan, brothers. Switch back. Uy, tulog ko ah. Chaparral. Cute. Wow, lambon. Walang iya. Ganda ng kapit. Left. Oh yeah. Up. Yeah, nice Jason. Idol! Keep going! Yeah! Malupit yun. Si Sacramento 3-pointers yun. She's back, she's back! You! He's back! She's back! Watch out! She's back to the right! You good bro? Namatay naman? Patay tayo dyan. Chill talaga. Anong inakad dito talaga? Lupit nun. Bihira yun. Lupit nun. 3-pointers. Sacramento Kings, brother. That's a Chris Pimentel. Mother, father. Malupit yan. Malupit yun. Follow the men in front of you. Alright, Mandalorian Seekers 2025 spicy route with the elite group. Oh my goodness, look at that, bro. Shout out Seekers.
Yeah.
Alright,
what's up?
alright, lichon.
Hey, bro.
Doc Nick, go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna be the sweeper. Ride safe, alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go straight, go straight. Again, Mandalorian with the elite group, spicy route, Seekers 2025 anniversary. Yo. Yo. Dito na tayo, dito na mga sticky. Tignan natin sila rito. No break, no break. Let go, let go. Let go. Let that brake go. Go. Good. Just like that, brothers. Let go, let go. Para maliit yung dadaanan ko. Mahirap eh. Lupit itong mga to. First time binanatan. Binibira. Go straight, go straight. Diretso na, diretso. Right shape, go. Go. Go, 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 go. All right. Now it's clear. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Now we're na Mandalorian proper. Ganda ngayon, brothers. Just Mikey. What happened? What happened? Oh, shit. Sayang. Mikey! Banati, Mikey. Distance with akong tetol. Mawala tayo niyan eh. Oh shit. Last. Oh shit. Keep going, just going. Keep going. No break, bro. Just rear. There you go. Puta, babalik tuloy ako. Nawala akong momentum. Balik natin. Wala tayong momentum eh. Wala tayong momentum yan. Mahirap na eh. Tayo. Ante. Yun. Alright. Ayoko. Let's do it. Yan. Yan ang sasakyan. Yun o. Ganun lang yun. Yeah. Yeah. How's that? Straight, straight. You go straight. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. Just go straight, bro. Safer. Yeah, straight, straight, straight. Yeah, good job. Good job, good job. You. Go straight, go straight. Yow.
So, idol.
Good job. No one got hurt?
Good. Ano mo na kami?
Go.
Ilan sa'yo?
27 ako.
Oh, grabe.
Oo.
Pang bike park na yan.
Go, go, go. Go. Go, Dumbo. Follow, bro. Just follow lang. Just follow lang, brother. Ride safe. Go. Represent Sikad 2025 TDS. Clint, go, Clint.
Shout out, idol.
So, Chris Pimentel, the 3-pointers, buddy. Okay, buddy. Boss Nick. Doc Nick. Just send it. Just send it. Just send it, brother.
Like a little gap in case I catch up.
There's no, yeah. Yeah, good job, good job. I hope Doc Jamie and Doc James will not gonna blame us if you're gonna buy a e-bike when you get down there. We'll see. Keep going. Nabutan ko na sila. Alright. Oh yeah. Keep going. No break at all. May catch yan po. May catch yan kaya safe. Go Doc Nick. You're a gnarly guy, man. Yeah, there's a catch right over here. Ew. Ew. That's it. The ending is too steep. Just go ahead, roll it. Coming down. Coming down. Yeah, baby. That's it, Dumbo. Everybody safe. Yee-hoo. Good job, guys. Good job.
Everybody safe?
Good job. Good job, everybody. I thought the helicopter is for, you know, somebody. Ano, one more? Alright, let's go. The lechon is waiting. Good job, Doc. Here, Doc. Good job. Yeah, just go straight. Go straight, go straight. That's Doc, Nick. Straight, go straight, okay? You. Good job. That's Doc Nick. Good job, good job. Go ahead. Keep going. Okay, keep going. There's like 3 more behind. Go! Gap mo yan. Uy, mali pala yung daan mo. Mali yung daan mo. Iba yung daan mo. Baka talaga. Regular route. Oh, straight yun. Ito. Narataw din natin. Dropping! Clint, following Clint. Dropping! Following Clint, baby. Whew. Right, go. Keep going. Alright. That's Clint. Shout out, Clint. How's the route?
Pretty good.
Right.
A little bit muddy.
There you go. We're in the American River, El Dorado. That's where we rode over there. Yee! Pag nagulong ka dyan, no? Ilang battery ka pa?
Dalawa kalahati, 50 ba?
Oo.
Turbo all the way din ako eh.
Oo, well, mabilisin na tayo eh.
Yeah.
Hindi ka pa magbabagal, di ba? Right, Salmon Falls right over there. Right, let's go.
Okay din, kahit mabasa, kahit ulan.
I know, wala naman eh.
Yeah.
Nawala kayo!
Kayo na nantay namin.
So, nimo kayo mga lupad mo.
Oy, kayo na inantay namin. O, dito. Kayo nantay namin. Oy, dito. Boss,
Bay.
boss,
Ayos,
ikaw
oy.
lang inantay.
Halika.
Dito.
Picture ka.
Magpa-picture of the wheat.
Ay, oh.
Dito, oy.
Okay, Bon.
Okay, dito. Hindi, tatayo sa harap.
Ay,
Tatayo sa harap.
bro, hello.
Papadol, Loy! Ayun!
Uy, tol.
Nabusan kayo doon.
Eh. Uy, idol. Sino, idol? Idol.
Anong kanyo ka?
Pucha.
Disney kayo? Disney?
Oo.
Ano?
Mga sariling grupo itong mga to.
Wala, ano lang, X lang.
Iba mga grupo yan, bro. Tanglang alala kami, bro. Ano nangyari? Si Mike. Bitawag ako. Kasi nauna sila Rajil.
Yeah.
Akala namin, biglang may dinampot doon. Akala namin. Sabi ko, sino kaya dinampot doon? Wala, nagpa-practice, nagpa-training.
Helicopter.
Oo.
Oh, kaya pala, kanina ano pala yun, oh.
Nag-pick up ng tubig sa sakit doon.
Yeah.
Eh, nag-himuli kami nila Jil. Tapos,
Ubusan pala siyang baterya.
lubot na siya. Hindi nag-charge. Talaga yung isang yan. Yung extra niya, lubot din. Yung extra
Yung isa
niya, lubot din. O, shoutout ko muna pala.
There's a lot of names.
Alright, hey, Lars MTV Flow. Dirt Ride at Sikaz.
Oh, picture. How is it?
Good.
Right.
Sketchy.
Uh-huh. General! Yee!
Nerds, wala na ano, boss?
Wala naman. I know, puti kinabahan kami. Walang iyaya, no? Oh, shout out! Ayun, no? Oh, mga komisyoner.
Commissioner.
Boss Mike, oh. Mike, ito.
Ano bang pumila dito? Ano ba pila dito?
Wala, hindi na tayo magdasal.
Nasaan tayo, nasaan?
Alexel, oh. Pre. Hey, bro. Hey. Uy, tukit na siya ka. Tukit na. O, shoutout mo si Richmond. Ha? Richmond. Oo nga. Ay, Richmond. Uy, tayo na. Tumutropa, oh. Shoutout. KBA. Bata mo. Yung bata mo.
Nasaan ba tanong video? Wala ako sa video ba?
Wala video. Ay, wala video.
Sabi na niya, tingnan mo yung video na noon kay Nance.
Wala video, pinatay ko, nag-usap ka na.
Pakita kay Bumol.
Wala akong video, wala
Hindi magkatulog ba?
Wala video. Sabi niya. How's it, brother?
Awesome, man.
There you go. A good route, right?
Yeah.
How about that Kenyan?
Give me a yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. How's it? All right. Duck Geek, how is it?
That was great.
Oh man, how's Mandalorian?
That was amazing.
Super fun. So pala, ito.
Binigyan ko ng halaman.
Oh, Tolo. Shout out, Tolo.
Nagputol kami ng
Oh, Tolo.
packlet namin sa...
Brother, pakita ko yung Tolo. Oh. Boss Joey, shout out kayong dalawa, yung mga OG.
Saan na? Hindi ka na lang kita nakikita sa TV eh.
Yeah, GB. Hindi mo nakita yung GB ko?
Parang akala niya hindi siya pumupunta ng GB.
Go high! How's the ride? Oh, you know. Oh, saan mo na exhibition dyan? Ano yan?
Exhibition nga, exhibition.
Exhibition?
Walang kamay.
Ay, baka talaga. Woo!
Sibol siya. Ano yan?
Oh.
Pagkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay. Tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umiibig na tunay.
Nalok mo na ba ako?
Mga pogi, oh. Mga pogi, oh. Ito yung pogi, oh. Ito number 1. Ito number 1 na pogi. Ayun, ito isa pero. $5 lang yan. Ay, itong ginawa yan, pero.
May chonky yun.
Ayop ka talaga. Chonky pa rin. Kaya ko nagbago ka na. Ayop kayo kung ano nangyari sa ride natin.
798.
Ayun, no? Si Louie, oh. Si Louie. Bro! Kamusta lechon natin? Masarap ba? Ayos. Kain lang po. Ay, ano yun? Puta na yung number ko. Yung number ko. Hindi na sa kanila, puta, ladder ano. Dami sa bahay niyan eh. Dami ko sa bahay. Uy! Shh! Ah, si Rajil! Si Rajil! Tawag mo si Rajil! Hindi ka nagtatawag! Hindi ka nagtatawag!
Masahe, boss, masahe. Ano?
Yeah, oh.
Lotion, paano na lang.
Ito, lechon. Idol ko talaga to. Ito ang idol ko. Ito ang idol ko. Ito kakanta ka sa sunod, ha? Idol, oh. Ayaw, usahay. Usahay, bro, usahay. Usahay, ha? Usahay. Ano? Nag-enjoy? Yung number nyo. Utang na e-bike eh. Lahat! E-bike eh. Tama ako. E-bike eh. Golden pag golden. Tignan mo lahat. I know, right? Crazy. Motherfucker. Idol. Idol John. Say something kayo. Say something. TDS natin. Promote yung TDS natin.
Idol Lars, tirador ng Sacramento.
Puta, birador. Putang ina niya. Ano ang bayag mo? Gano'ng kalaki ang bayag mo? Parang
Pumunta ka na sa Sacramento. Walang
nakita niya nakita niya na OTBC ano, diretso pa rin. Pag ako yun, di ko na tirahin. Sabi ko, it's a sign.
gusto ko sa kasali.
Mayari ka kay Baki. Sabi ni Baki, putang ina talaga. Kahapon, ang ganda ng banat. Oh, ito. Shoutout mga pro rapper. Sikat so, yun oh. Kompleto, sikat so. Oh, yan, dito kayo oh. Uy, number nyo ha. Oh. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Meron pa tayong ano, via satellite. ABC5.
Naka-Starlink pala tayo.
Oo, putya na. May nagagalakal. Ladder. Ba't gano'n naman yun?
Oh, Doc, thank you, Doc.
Baka talaga. Ang sarap naman. That's a sweet donation, Doc. Bali. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Puta, pakita natin kay ano. Puta, kay Utol, no? Ayun, no?
Money. Need your money.
Ayun, no? Puta, ayun, no?
Need your money.
Oh, shit. What is it? I don't have, ano?
I need your money.
I have a big money. Uy. Ayun, no? I don't know. Mga idol, oh. Shout out! Sikat, zo.
Kanina, suot ko yan eh.
Hindi mo sinusuot eh.
Suot ko nga kanina. Nag-ride kami.
Hindi ko nakita. Sana na iyon na.
Ikaw pa sa
Kunin mo dun, kunin mo.
Ikaw, ako nasa south, ikaw sa north.
Walang iya ka talaga. Oh, shout out, shout out. Mga nanalo. Iba ka talaga, swerte mo. Wala ka na washing machine mamaya. Washing machine yung pangalawa. Washing machine. Uy, mga siger, oh. May kantahan pa tayo ba, ha? May, ano pa tayo? May hard pa tayo dyan. May tuba, bali na. Tay, shout out. Ito maglulugaw natin, oh. Shout out, shout out. Ayun, oh, Lichon Boy. Thank you sa Lichon. Master Nieto. Yep. Legit, OG. Salamat sa Lichon, brother.
Alright, let's take a break.
Yeah. Let's sing again. Yeah. Go, picture.
Picked up yet, okay? And those who reordered for the second batch, it's gonna be shipped tomorrow and probably arriving Friday or Monday. So keep in touch, okay? But I have an extra long sleeve large. Hey, who wants one? If you want one, be in the middle, we play a game. In the middle.
Hindi kayo yung large ito mo lang, jersey.
Jersey.
Chupa talaga. Ah, budots daw, budots.
Large.
Puta na, hindi ka. Brad.
If you want large.
Uy, hindi na ba nag-iibig ka? Uy.
Wala ka naman ibay.
Ba't ganyan yung katawan? Uy, pag-ibig ko yung katawan niya.
Parang pag-ibig yan.
Oh, pag-ibig yan. Yeah!
Alright, so we have. Alright, thank you for coming, Jose. So we have 4. Alright. So it is.
Who wants to play golf in the front?
Sabihin mo nga kay bro. Hindi ka naman nag-iibig, bigyan ng katawan.
The game is very simple.
Bro! Sabihin mo kay...
Representing Sayon, Mantika, Tracy.
Kay Prof. Hindi ka naman nag-iibig, bigyan ng katawan mo. Hoy!
Here we go. Five. Alright. So I'm gonna say a number and then you're gonna do something. Okay? Alright? So when I say number 1,
Pucha lang! Bagag to! Bagag! Nilungo ka talaga nun!
41!
Wala na! 3 seconds tuloy! 3 seconds! Di marinig! 3 seconds eh!
I need you to line up, please. Line up.
Mga commissioner to, mga nakikita lang to pag mga ano, ganito mga silibra mga
So when I say number 1, you're gonna do this.
Kababayan mo.
Space it out. Give space. Alright? Number 1.
Pagod na. There you go!
Alright, number 2.
Hey, show up!
Okay? Yan, kababa pa.
Huwag ka-
Number 2.
Huwag ka sasagot!
Alright, number 3. Okay, and number 4. Alright? So number 1.
Meron ko nakita kanina, akala ko si
Number 2.
Yun kasi meron na yun.
Number
Akala ko si
3.
Edwin ganyan nung malayo.
Number 4. Alright? Ready?
Alright!
Alright, so let's go. Alright, number 1. By elimination, so
Yup!
the last one to perform is gonna be eliminated, okay? Alright. Yeah, try, okay? So
Yeah,
the
Doc
last
Nix, oh.
one to
Doc Nix,
perform
Doc James.
will be eliminated. That is
Si Prop. Ito, mga big time to mga kalahok. Si contractor, right there. Bong Revilla. Contractor. Commissioner ito.
You guys help me.
Yeah.
Police, yeah. You're gonna be, Ariel's gonna be our
Doc Jamie.
women are so observant, so we're gonna have women
Dali, mapupuno yung ano ko.
with the judge, okay? All right.
This is the contractor, ICC.
All right. So we're gonna. This is it, okay? All right. I know. All right. If you're last, you're gonna be eliminated, okay? Number 4.
Tanggal. Oh, but I'm sorry, brother. Next time, hindi mo ginalingan, brother.
Bigatan to.
Bigat ang katawan. Ay, puja! Contractor! Nagtanggal pa naman sa salamin. Nagtanggal pa naman sa salamin.
Strict judge.
Yari, ba't hindi ka katuro? Ba't hindi ka katuro?
All right, let's go. Let's do this. Number 3.
Hindi ka puti! Hindi ka puti! Hindi ka puti! Hindi ka puti! Alis ka dyan! You Mexicano! Eh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Both doctors. The judge! Disqualified! Disqualified! Don't wanna judge! That's why I'm fine. Thank you, friends. Both doctors. Both doctors.
Let's do this at number 3.
Your wife is here. Your wife is here.
Number 1.
Yes! That's my boy! I'm sorry, Doc. I'm sorry.
It was like this.
Yay!
Congrats.
Congrats, my boy. That's Dr. Nick. Dr. Nick from Kaiser. Congratulations!
Huwag na natin ilaan sa mabuting usapan. Lalo lang magdaragdagan ang sakit na ulo at ibig yan. Anong sarap kami naging magkaibigan.
Yan.
Napuno ako ng pag-asa.
Puno ako ng pag-asa. Bay!
Iyong pala
Saya. Ganda sa lamin mo.
hanggang
Panalo ah.
kaya.
Eh, diyan ka. Hindi ko nadala yung mga bike eh. Dalawa lang nadala ko eh. Bay, maganda kasi next ka. Anong ganang kurotsa? Kurotsa.
Kailangan tanggapin, kailangan ka naging seryoso sa kakanya. Gagaguhin.
Oh!
Yes ko.
Hey!
Ano ba naman ito?
Liuwan ba? Liuwan ba? Blessing!
Umuulan!
Ako! Lecheng pag-ibig ko! Diyos ko! Ano ba naman ito? Yeah, cleaning time. Trời ơi, đúng.
Sabi niya,
Abot pa. Yo, you know.
Mga komisyoner. Gwapo. I'll take that one. Tol! Ano nga? Hindi na right? Okay lang. Shoutout sa TDS. Shoutout. Say something. Nabigla. Shoutout. Walang yaw. Yan mo. Ayun o. Shoutout. Oh. Alright. Nabigla. Hoy, maginom pa ta. Maginom. Tal. Oh, pare. Hoy! Ano yan? Tara kaya. Oh, yan o. What's up? Idol! Tol! Uy! Puta may tikong pa dyan. Bulong yan, libos yan o. Uy! Hindi, ako lang, tigil lang. Ay, huwag kalimutan yung card. 2026 pa naman yun.
Ba't bimbili niya mo ng card?
Ako iba ako, tol. Iba yan. Member na ako yun. Takusa na ako, Brad. Kala mo ikaw lang, ha?
Bakit talaga ito?
Tuloy, no? Das. First Mike, mabuhay ka! Long live! Long live, First Mike.
Can't stop this fire. Oh, I got a miracle, hysteria. Oh, can you feel it? It's such a magical hysteria. When you get the feeling, oh, it's like a million. It's a miracle. Say it with me.
Oh yeah!
Uncle Nieto, nabudol Nieto! I gotta know tonight, if you're alone tonight, can't stop this feeling, can't stop this fire. Oh, I got hysteria, yeah, can you feel it? Do you believe it? It's such a magical hysteria. When you get the feeling, let's start believing. It's this miracle. Say the word, baby. Oh yeah, I got hysteria. Hysteria. You better believe it. Hey, the miracle. Say it with
Christmas party, you know what's up?
Christmas party, baby.
Dapat ibang hawak. Pag-ing, 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 kadug. Hey!